Hello and welcome to this video learning series of AutoCAD. Today we are going to learn how to create a new drawing and how to open an existing drawing in AutoCAD. So let's see how to create a new drawing first. You can see we have this Start Drawing swatch here. If I click on it, a new drawing gets started. You can see a drawing with name Drawing 4 is opened here. The other way to create a new drawing is using this application menu. If I click on it, we have this new option here. Click on this new option. You'll get this Select Template dialog box. If you want to draft 2D objects, then select this ACAD template from this list. Then hit the Open button. You can see a new file with the name Drawing 5 is opened here. Other way to create a new drawing is by using this New button here. Click on it. You'll again get this Select Template dialog box. You can follow the same procedure to create a new drawing. Now let us see how to open an existing drawing in AutoCAD. I'm going to save this Drawing 5 by using the Application menu. I'll click on this Application menu button. Here we have this Save As option. Click on it. You'll get this Save Drawing As dialog box. I will save this drawing to the desktop of my computer with the name Drawing 5. I'll close this drawing. Now I want to open the Drawing 5 which I just saved on the desktop of my computer. Here in the Quick Access toolbar, we have this Open button. I'll click on it. I'll browse to the desktop which is already selected here. Now here we have this Drawing 5. I'll hit the Open button after selecting it. So you can see Drawing 5 is now open here. So this is how we create a new drawing and open existing drawings in AutoCAD. Thank you for watching.